family and friends. This is Wesley, cooking with Wesley. Come on into my kitchen. So today is Tuesday and it is chili cheese burger time with some seasoned French fries. Something simple and something easy, but the kids can do when you don't feel like cooking. So at this point, I have my ground beef in the bowl. I'm gonna season it with black pepper, a little seasoned salt, and I'm gonna grill some onions on the side so we can put some grilled onions on top with some pickles. And we're gonna see how this turns out without burning the burger. So I'm gonna add some black pepper to the ground beef. You always wanna make sure ground beef is seasoned good. If you've ever tasted ground beef when you cooked it and it still tastes like ground beef and you can't taste the flavors, then of course you've undercooked it. But what I'm gonna do with these, my kids don't eat half-done burgers, as I call them. They don't eat them medium rare, they eat them done. So they're gonna be all completely done because of, well, one of my daughters, she will eat it like that, but she's not here today. So she won't vast in this. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix these up, make some patties, throw them in the skillet, and we're gonna eat. We're gonna mix this ground beef. Mix that up really good. And we're gonna get these patties popping. I'll be back. And so get the ground beef. You know, you don't want to do that and just slap it. You know, you want to make sure you get it almost as round as you possibly can. And with that, then you smash it out. Make sure you close the sides up, the edges up, so that way when you cook it won't fall apart. And then you just look at that. It's not so bad. If you got a hamburger smasher, then where you can make them totally round, good for you. But look at that. And I'm gonna put these in the skillet. We're gonna let those cook. So I'm gonna cut these onions down so we can grill them and put them on the burgers. Because a grilled onion is really a good onion. And this is just a regular white onion. You know, some people like red, some people like brown, you know. Okay, so we're gonna get these ready to be grilled. So what I did with my fries, I used fresh potatoes. I washed them, and then I slice them into fries, not steak potato size, but so we can have some French fries, potato looking French fries. But that's they are, and this is an outcome of what they look like. They're not too hard, they're pretty color. And we're gonna sprinkle those with a little salt. So this is how I do my bread. This is butter or margarine, whichever one you prefer, and I like to butter it a little bit so I can get that little crispness, that little taste, not too much. And then we're gonna put these in the skillet back here and let those get a little golden brown on them. And we're gonna see. This is how the bread comes out. I could have got that one a little bit more brown, but that's how I toast the bread. Either I do it on the stove by washing it with butter, or if you have one of those conventional ovens where you can put it at the bottom, like we used to do toast back in the days, you could do it like that too. So we're gonna get ready to plate this first plate. So let me wrap everything up and I'll be right back. So I got the cheese melted on that burger there. And I'm gonna add the chili after because One of my kids want mayonnaise on this side of the bread. So it just all depends on what you like. Mayonnaise, mustard. But I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna add the chili. And the chili is brick chili, which I love brick chili. So we're gonna add some of this on there. We're gonna make that look like that. Look at that. A little bit more. A few grilled onions on top of that. Mouth watering. And a couple of pickles. And we're gonna let that ooze on down. We're gonna cover it. We're gonna, bam, flip it. Look at there, look at there. And then we're gonna add some fries. How is that? Bon appetit. Chili cheese burger with grilled onions and seasoned fries. And there you have it. Ordinary food with just a touch of love. Because I'm Wesley and this is Cooking with Wesley. So I like for you to go to my channel. I like for you to like, share, comment down below because I do read the comment. Subscribe and please turn on your notifications. And I just like to say to the ones that have commented, I appreciate you. Thank you for your support because I'm Wesley and you know it's Cooking with Wesley.